video we learn about how to control servo motor using Ardino IoT Cloud. I use a Ardino IoT Cloud to control a servo motor to turn on and turn off the water tap. So switch. So you can modify into switch, you can modify into water tap. What you want, you can change. Project, I use a Ardino IoT Cloud to make this project. So record component Esp-32, servo motor and jumper wires. So this is the circuit diagram. Pulse is connected to 22. The ground equal to ground. VCC equal to 5 volt power supply and ground. So next we move to the coding part. So in the coding part, I use the ESP Ardino IoT Cloud. So I don't need to upload a new library. So if you want a new library, you can add in the Ardino IoT Cloud. So we move to the setup part. So I include a servo. Next, servo equal to servo 1. Next, in white setup, I initialize servo 1 equal to 22 pin. Okay. Next, we move to the while loop part. In while loop part, while on servo change. Okay. If servo equal to 1, if the value received servo equal to 1, servo 1 equal to 180. So if the switch is on, the servo right equal to 180. If the switch is off, the servo right equal to 0. Okay, this is the function I used in this project. So this is the coding part. After you complete the coding part, we move to the hardware part. Thank you.